Hey guys, so I've been interested in eating healthy for a while now, and I thought I'd finally share my mindset and what I do. Now, just a disclaimer, this is in no way a recommendation as I'm not licensed to give it. I'm really just showing you how I eat. Now, the basis for my choices kind of come from all over the place, but I generally find myself following Dr. Greger's Daily Dozen Guide. I do have some problems with that list, but I still feel like it's a decently good guideline. So, starting off, I'm starting with a shit ton of spinach, and I found that you can never really go wrong trying to incorporate vegetables into a dish. Generally, though, the two main things I look for are fiber and antioxidants, so, I try to always add as much of those as I can. So, with that being said, the next thing I will add is a can of cannelli beans, and this is like 15 ounces worth of beans. And these things are loaded with fiber. It's probably the biggest contributor of fiber to my diet. I'd say I'm about like 30 grams of fiber in those 15 ounces. So to put that into perspective, that's like 10 apples worth of fiber. And just so you know, this is only about half the fiber I'm having in this meal. So while my beans and spinach are cooking, I'm going to add some spices. I'm adding a good amount of turmeric here. I mostly just try to increase my turmeric consumption, so I just throw it in whenever I can. Now I found turmeric has a bit of a bitter taste to it. However, I also found that white vinegar actually offsets that bitter taste. Like they actually complement each other. And I'm also adding some black pepper as well to increase the turmeric nutrient absorption. So instead of adding soy sauce as the condiment and getting no benefit, I'm getting the acetic acid benefit from the vinegar, the antioxidants from the turmeric, and the whole list of other reported benefits that come with curcumin. My beans are still heating up, so I'm going to go ahead with the avocados. Now, two of them are at perfect ripeness, so I guess I'll have both. Avocados are rich in omega 3s and they're also loaded with fiber. I think they have like 10 grams of fiber each, so that's an extra 20 grams of fiber for me. After finishing my creamy avocados, my beans are ready, and this is what they look like when they're fully mixed in with the turmeric. And I have to say, I actually love the way this tastes, like the flavors actually mix together so well. If you don't believe me, try this yourself. So I don't know about y'all, but I kind of have a bit of a sweet tooth. So to finish off my lunch, I'm going to have a mango. Now mangoes are also a good source of antioxidants. Now I actually like the mangoes with the skin on though. This way I can get extra nutrients and fiber. And in case you thought I was capping about the skin, here's a video of me eating it with the skin on. So having two avocados with this meal made it a bit calorically high, but I'm not too concerned. I'm doing an 8-16 intermittent fast, so this is only one of two meals. Additionally, I'm kind of front loading my calories, so my dinner is going to be a bit lighter than this. Totaling up everything, I had about 60 grams of fiber this meal, 30 from the beans, 20 from the avocados, and then 10 from the spinach and mango. The daily fiber recommendation is only 30 grams, and apparently 97% of Americans don't even meet that. Meanwhile, I somehow did double in a single meal. I just hope I showed you guys, how easy it is to meet that requirement. I mean, a single can of beans will get you there, and eating healthy has probably been one of the easiest self-improvements I've made. I'm surprised how many Americans struggle with this. I mean, beans are cheap, so it's not like poverty is an excuse. People say that I'm weird for having like 3 pieces of fruit with my meal, but I'm the one here who's getting a sufficient amount of fiber in. I'm not wrong, everybody else is, or at least 97% of them are. I don't want to get too negative though, do whatever you want. So anyways, I'm probably going to go have some almonds and blackberries now. Let me know how this recipe works for you guys though. Anyways guys, peace.